Diddy bopped up the fire, evolve, whacking these fastball sliders and all the...
Peace and blessings, everyone. Welcome to a snippet, behind the scenes, bedroom busters and bites, extra, whatever you want to call it. This is just a little simple recipe that I wanted to share with you all. And today I'll be sharing the recipe to my famous, delicious banana oatmeal smoothie. Stay tuned, you're gonna love this one. This recipe is going to require a blender, yogurt, raw honey, ripe bananas, ice, raw oatmeal, and cinnamon. Almost forgot my almond milk. Next, we're gonna add our raw oatmeal. So you're gonna do 2 cups of this. As you can see, the bananas are already sliced and inside of the blender. So just do your 2 cups of raw oats, and this is gonna all come together, so you don't have to worry about it being grainy. So next, I'm adding my Yoplait yogurt. As you can see, I decided to use strawberry. You can use whatever flavor you like. Banana strawberry is good, but since I already have bananas inside of the blender, I wanted to use strawberry yogurt. Vanilla is good as well, especially if you're using a vanilla almond milk. Oh my goodness, guys, you gotta try that one. Either way, any flavor is gonna work because it's oatmeal. What fruit you know doesn't go good with oatmeal? So yeah, I'm gonna do 2 cups of this Yoplait yogurt. Just gonna drop it on in there. And then we're gonna eventually bring the flavors together. Now for the almond milk. I'm gonna go ahead and pour 2 cups of almond milk inside of the blender. And then we're gonna go ahead and grab our honey. Now you can use raw honey. Luckily, and thank God, we have a friend who actually makes his own honey. Shout out to brother Shahi. Thank you for that, honey, brother. Just a little bit of honey, depending on how sweet you want it to be. Remember, this is supposed to be a healthy kickstart for the morning, so let's not go too overboard with the sweetness. But you can do it to your liking. I don't like to do too much honey, so I'll do like 1 squirt there. Okay, guys. Last ingredient is going to be the ice. We're going to drop some ice cubes in there. I love this rubber ice maker, ice tray. It is great. You can bend it, it flexes, and then it gives you these long ice cubes that you can actually drop in your water bottles. I think that's why they made the ice tray. Either way, I love it, dropping that ice in there. And then we're going to blend it up, and all of these delicious flavors and healthy oats are going to come together, and you're going to have one of the most delicious freaking smoothies you've ever imagined. So yeah, I'm blending it up right now. And you can do it to, like I said, once again, your liking, whatever consistency you like. This is supposed to be a smoothie, so you know how you like your smoothie. Some people like it extra watery. I like mine kind of on the thick side. And the oatmeal is going to make it thick anyway. So either way, it's going to be hearty and stick to your stomach. Yes, we're just letting it blend. Oh, wait a minute, guys. I forgot. You can add 1 tablespoon or teaspoon of brown sugar. That just gives it another little extra kick as far as sweetness goes. Yeah, then we're good to go. That was optional though. You don't have to. It's optional. Let's continue to blend this up. Make sure we get that sweetness in there. Finished product, a delicious banana oatmeal smoothie. Wonderful for around this time of the holidays. Favorite cookies or crackers. Hope you guys enjoy it.
Diddy bopped up the fire, evolve, whacking these fastball sliders and all. The Andrew McCutcheon of music, I ball. Translucent, what you think that you seen dissolve. Got more things I'm backing and getting it off. Got them all twitching and itching. Who girl is watching, I give her a fixing. Foreigns and line looking just like a stitching. But that ain't your broad, and I'm all handcuffing you. Ain't Paul Blart, tryna be dope as me, man. You missed the mark. I'm at Kith, kick shopping, putting piff in carts. Full of confidence, it's clear you acknowledge it. Flash the watch bezel, check your eye tolerance. Just a few of my accomplishments. Oh, you mad? I make you madder. Great more jealous with the paint splatter. Dabbing, doing the dab while I'm dapper. Laughter is what I induce from you actors. Should go copy a fit from Mad Hatter. But that's a whole nother chapter. That's a whole nother chapter. That's a whole nother rapper. I'm back there living life now and hereafter. Sure won't be the last time. Sure won't be the first.